In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete a Firebase hosting site from the Firebase console. Before we begin, a quick note. Deleting a hosting site is permanent. It removes the hosted content and stops serving it to the public. It does not delete your Firebase project or other services like authentication, Firestore, or functions, but the site itself and its files will be gone for good. Make sure you're certain, and if needed, capture any backups or notes beforehand. Start by opening the Firebase console in your browser and selecting the project that contains the site you want to remove. If you work across multiple projects, double-check the project name at the top. Deleting the wrong site and the wrong project is a common mistake and can be hard to recover from. You'll also need sufficient permissions in that project to perform deletions. Once you're in the correct project, look to the left-hand navigation panel. Find the build section, and if it's collapsed, click to expand it. Then choose Hosting. This takes you to the hosting dashboard for your project. On the hosting page, scroll to the section labeled Your Sites. Here you'll see the list of hosting sites tied to the project. Many teams use multiple sites for production, staging, or previews, so take a moment to confirm the exact site you intend to delete by checking the site ID and any associated domains or notes visible in the list. Move your cursor to the right side of the site's row and click the three dots menu. This opens a small action menu specific to that site. From this menu, select Delete Site. Firebase will prompt you to confirm because this action is irreversible. Read the prompt carefully. You may be asked to acknowledge the consequences or type the site ID to confirm. Proceed only if you're sure you've selected the correct site. After you confirm, Firebase will begin deleting the site. The entry will disappear from the Your Sites list when the process completes. From this point on, requests to that site's hosting URL will no longer serve your content. If you had a custom domain attached, visitors will stop seeing your hosted pages once DNS and caches settle. Keep in mind, this step does not remove DNS records or domain ownership, only the hosting site. That's it. You've safely navigated to your project, opened hosting, identified the correct site, used the three dots menu, and confirmed the permanent deletion. Take a final moment to verify the site is no longer listed, and you're done.